Performance management, the performance management process and its essential elements. The learning objectives for this course are the performance management process, the importance of performance management, stages of the performance management cycle, the elements that are necessary for effective performance management, modern tools for performance management, the purpose and goals of performance management, and key takeaways. Let's start with the performance management process. Performance management is a set of processes and systems. These processes and systems are aimed at developing an employee so they perform their job to the best of their ability. Now, it's important to note that performance management is not aimed at improving all skills. In fact, good performance management focuses on improving the skills that help an employee do their job better. This means that it is about the strategic alignment of one's work to the group and organizational goals. I'm going to repeat that because it's important. Performance management is about the strategic alignment of one's work to the group and organizational goals. Because performance management is a process that aims to align individual goals with group and organizational goals, key individual career decisions like bonuses, promotions, and dismissals are all linked to this process. What is the importance of performance management? Well, in any organization, no matter the size, it is important to understand what your employees are doing, how they are doing it, and why they are doing it. These are just some of the reasons that performance management is so important to every organization. It provides a look into the future. It helps create development and training strategies. It provides clarity in the organization. It increases employee retention. It boosts employee engagement. And it provides the opportunity for exchanging feedback. What are the stages of the performance management cycle? Performance management involves much more than just assigning ratings. It is a continuous cycle that involves planning, developing, monitoring, rating, and rewarding. This means planning work in advance so that expectations and goals can be set, monitoring progress and performance continually, developing the employee's ability to perform through training and work assignments, rating periodically to summarize performance, and finally, rewarding good performance. There are a few basic elements involved in building an effective performance management framework. They include these things. First, goal setting. You need to set goals the right way. They need to be meaningful and they need to be understood. Transparent communication and collaboration. Employees want and deserve their managers and leaders to be open and authentic. Employee recognition. An effective performance management system should prioritize employee recognition and reward. Honest and regular feedback and reviews. The more frequent and precise the feedback, the better individual performance. And employee development. No ambitious top performer wants to remain at a company long-term without honing and developing skills. There are modern tools for performance management that can help you. These performance management tools and software speed up the performance management process and help organizations deliver fair, periodic reviews. Performance management tools can offer the following 7 benefits for your organization. Enable continuous performance management, offer 360-degree performance reviews, improve the frequency of feedback, ensure a fair performance appraisal process, make it easy to track employee performance, identify training requirements, and automate performance review reporting. It's important that you understand the purpose and the goals of performance management for your company. The purpose of performance management is to give both managers and employees a clear and consistent system within which to work that in turn will lead to increased productivity. There are 5 main objectives of performance management. Develop clear role definitions, expectations, and goals. Increase employee engagement. Develop managerial leadership and coaching skills. Boost productivity through improved performance. Develop a performance reward program that incentivizes accomplishment. These performance management goals show a clear path. If one of these performance management objectives is not done well, then the others will suffer as a result. What are the key takeaways for this lesson? Performance management is a set of processes and systems aimed at employee development so that they perform their job to the best of their ability. In any organization, no matter the size, it is important to understand what your employees are doing, how they are doing it, and why they are doing it. Performance management involves much more than just assigning ratings. It is a continuous cycle. Performance management tools and software can speed up the performance management process and help organizations deliver fair, periodic reviews. The purpose of performance management is to give both managers and employees a clear and consistent system. These performance management goals show a clear path from the developing of goals to the rewarding of increased accomplishment. Now let's take a quiz to test your knowledge. The purpose of performance management is to give a clear and consistent system to whom? A, employee, B, manager, C, client, or D, both A and B? The answer is D, both A and B, the employee and the manager. True or false? An effective performance management system should prioritize employee recognition and reward. This is true. Choose the correct sequence of performance management cycle. Which is the correct order? The answer is C, planning, monitoring, developing, rating, and finally, rewarding. True or false? Performance management is all about assigning ratings. This is false. Remember, it's a continuous cycle and there's much more involved. Which of the following is an advantage of performance management? A, it provides a look into the future. B, it helps create development and training strategies. C, it provides clarity in the organization. Or D, it provides the opportunity for exchanging feedback. The answer is D. Performance management is an opportunity for exchanging feedback. Which of the following is not a benefit of modern performance management tools? A, enable continuous performance management. B, offer 360-degree performance reviews. C, decrease the frequency of feedback. Or D, ensure a fair performance appraisal process. The answer is C, decrease the frequency of feedback. In fact, the opposite is true. Modern performance management tools help you increase the frequency of feedback. Complete the sentence. Performance management is A, a set of processes and systems. B, all about ratings. C, giving incentives to employees. Or D, an organizational approach. The answer is A, a set of processes and systems. True or false? If one of the performance management objectives is not done well, then there will be no effect on the result. This is false. Performance management goals show which of the following? Objectives, clear path, long-term vision, or none of the above? The answer is clear path. And how many stages are there in the performance management cycle? 4, 5, 6, or 7? The answer is 5. Thank you.